Look at that old cedar tree. Look at that. I wonder why I haven't noticed that before. The sheriff's residence and the jail. We'll read this sign. I think this still has the gallows in it. I don't know if this is ever on tour or not. The gallows, yeah, living legend, gunfight. Fields where prisoners were housed and punished. 2 feet thick, 2 stories in height, and has a trap door in the floor of the upper story where the condemned prisoners were hanged. Leave me alone, bug. I think the reason I haven't noticed that old cedar tree, I think they have just cut some of it. Probably died. Very interesting.